Hi berries! Welcome to Berry Gems, where you can find your best beauty. Berry Gems is here to help you. Use concealer and foundation to cover the redness, acne scar, and under eye. Use eyebrow pencil and draw your eyebrow hair from down to up horizontally and border the eyebrow. Then blend your eyebrows using the brush. Apply contour from the eyebrow to nose. Choose lighter eyeshadow and apply it on the upper eyelid and under eye. Then use darker eyeshadow and blend it to the lighter eyeshadow. Use glitter eyeshadow on the eyelid and use pencil eyeliner. Add fake eyelashes and fill the eyeliner again. Use the highlighter on the corner of the eye, nose tip, and under eye, nose tip, and under eye. Apply blush on the cheekbone and lip gloss. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.